Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Ivy and I'm a makeup artist, YouTuber and content creator based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some products that I recently hauled. Makeup, hair care, skincare, everything is inside this bag. It didn't come like this. I hauled them from different places, different shops, but I just put everything together in this bag. Now, if you want to see the products I have recently hauled, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. It only takes 1 second. So guys, the first thing I got was this Angel baby wipe. I think this is the largest size they have. It has 150 baby wipes in it. Like, it's quite large. I love the Angel brand because the wipes are quite moist, and I use these wipes together with my micellar water from Xyron or Nivea or Cosmetics to take off my face, my makeup at the end of the day before I wash, so that my bathroom, my sink is not stained with, makeup. You can see this makeup look I had on, I did it earlier, and when I'm applying my makeup, I always like to have this baby wipes handy to wipe down my brushes, wipe down products and all of that good stuff. So I got this, very first thing I got. I need it. It's always at the top of my vanity. I don't miss it. Guys, I got Sure 48 hours anti-white mark Sure. I thought I could deceive myself, but I couldn't. I recently why am I always saying recently? I did the whole way I showed you guys the what brand is it now? This XOXO Sure thing. I'm trying to remember the name now. I can't, so I'm going to leave it right here. It comes like in a spray can like this, like you spray. I normally use it, spritz it at night before I go to bed, just to scent fresh and everything. And along the line, I just started thinking, why can't I use this during the day? Just spray to keep me fresh. It doesn't. It doesn't. So I've gone back to my Sure. This Sure spray, Nivea Pearl and Beauty spray, and the Nivea roll-on are really good for keeping your underarms dry, scenting nice. That's Sure, the price has started dropping back down, so I'm grateful for that. I needed it, so I had to get another one. This is the 48 hours anti-white mark and yellow stain antiperspirant, and it is invisible on black and white clothes. I've been using this for years. It is price that drove me away, but I'm back now. The next product I got are these two lip glosses right here from Xyron. I have been standing and riding with this one right here. This is the Xyron Luxurious Lip Gloss in 24 carats. It's what I have at the top, on the top of my lip today. I have one right here. I'm almost here on this, but I wanted to have another one that I could just be tossing in my handbag. Like, again, if I'm going out, I just toss it in. I don't have to start rooting it out when I get back home and everything. I just want to have one for my handbag. And then I've been seeing the Sugar Plum shade, but I just felt it wasn't going to be like my preferred one. I like my glosses to have a tint on the lip when I apply it, and then I just decided to go ahead and get it because the one I used to use is from Avon and it's done, and I've not been able to get anywhere to get it. So I want to buy it to be using like a topper, a clear gloss, kind of, not really clear, but just kind of a clear gloss to use all over my lip without adding any tint to it. So I got 2 of those. And then I wanted to get my what was it now? Face scrub. I got there and I saw that Simple have this face wash. The one I bought and I've been using is this one right here. The light is washing to some because I'm going to leave a picture beside it. The Simple moisturizing face wash. And then I didn't see it, But I saw this other one, simple refreshing face wash. Guys, the only thing different thing in between these two products, like they have everything the same vitamin B5 plus E, the same amino acids, the same, everything is the same thing, 100% soap free, better approved, smooth and healthy look for smooth and healthy looking skin, new, simple. The only difference in this is that this comes in a white case and this comes in a light green case, and at the back everything is the same. Like every single thing is the same. The only second difference I noticed is that why this one is saying refreshing face wash right here, this one is saying moisturizing face wash. So I was like, okay, I've been using this, I didn't have issues, let me just get this and see, because this one I am almost here, so it's definitely going to go into our product empties pretty soon. So I got that. And then this is exactly what I wanted to go and get, my Queen Helen oatmeal and honey scrub, but I didn't get it. I have been looking for this thing since my own is out of, like, it's here. I've just been mising it, but I've not been able to lay my hands on it. I've searched online, I have searched everywhere. No, I tried one other brand. I'm not going to be calling names here. It didn't work for me. Like, I started breaking out right here, and I don't like the grain. This Queen Helen grain is so fine. It's so fine. Like, it's not really coarse. It's quite fine. I love the feel of my skin. I don't like the other fatter grains. So I decided to look out for any other Queen Helen product that I could see. I searched and searched and searched everywhere, and I eventually came across this one from Queen Helen. Is the Queen Helen Volcanic Ash Scrub. It's a new, they wrote new at the top, so I don't know. I've used it once now. I really don't know. It has like a grayish blackish color in it. It said this is the Volcanic Ash Scrub. It deeply cleans for healthy renewal, is skin purifying, and they said the volcanic ash is also known as bentonite, and it acts like a magnet for pollutants, bringing them to the surface so they can be washed away. And they said the result is refreshed, renewed skin. Well, I really don't know. I use this twice a week. I've just used it once. The one I was using before is the oatmeal and honey scrub, and I have used this one for years at this point. So in a way, it's still good, that I have to try something else. So while I'm phasing out of this one, I am, alternating them and seeing how my skin reacts to this, because I saw quite a lot of this in the particular supermarket I saw it. So I got this. Then in my last, I think it was my last product empties and reviews, or the second to the last, I talked about my Vaseline. Told you guys I use this Vaseline as a lip balm at night to moisten, to coat my legs, and it just helps leave my feet moist and supple. It helps leave my feet moisturized, let me put it that way. I had the bigger jar, it got finished, and when I went to get it, they didn't have the bigger jar in stock, so I got this one, which is a small one. It's what I've been using. I'm just using for like lip balm. I've only used it once for my feet. I don't know, I feel like it's too small to use, so I'm waiting to see when next I will go there if they've restocked. This one is not so expensive, it's like 1,050 naira or so. And then I got this, and I got this Soulmate hair conditioner. It's like hair cream. This one right here. The first product haul I did this year, I talked about my Nature's Gentle Touch hair conditioner. It's like a hair cream. That hair conditioner now is almost 5,000 naira, guys. Underneath this week, I have on a low cut hair, and so I love to keep my hair moisturized. Even if I'm going to put activator gel, anything, I love my hair to be moisturized. And that my Nature's Gentle Touch one, the hair cream is fastly finishing. So I said, no, 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 I need an alternative. I used to use apple hair cream when I was much younger, but I can't find it in shops anyway. I don't know what's going on. Like, the company, has it gone out of production or something? But I saw this one. I also saw one other brand, but you know, everybody had nice things to say about these guys, most especially. So I got it. So I love the scent. Scent's nice. Scent's nice. They say it enhances. Oh, it has protein, placenta, and panthenol. It enhances hair growth and it helps with the treatment of hair and scalp problems. Oh, wow. Interesting. Soulmate hair cream. I got that. I also got a lip pencil from Xyron. The Xyron Bold Lip Pencil. Like mine, I had three. One is like this, then the other two. I had been looking for it. I looked for them and looked. I was seeing other ones I have, but I didn't see those two bold. So tell me why the very day I got this bold lip pencil, I came back home and I found the other like smaller version of the bold. Anyway, it's still not a waste. I have the more rotation right now. Bold lip pencil from Xyron. Very, very good on days when I want, like, I have a nude lip like on today. I can just throw that, put my lip gloss, and I'm out the door. I also have one from Didi Beauty that I like. The Didi Beauty maroon. Is it maroon? Yes, maroon lip liner. But on the Didi Beauty, you have to twist up, you have to apply and do all of that good stuff. Sometimes it's not like really so obvious. But the Xyron, for you just a pencil now, just do you are done. And then I went to get this thing from the supermarket. I saw that they had this LA Colors eyeliner and brow pencil in black brown, and so I got it. But I don't know why I bought that, because it has more like a blackish color to it. See right there. I thought I could use it as a brow pencil, but I used this and I didn't really like the look it gave me. Compared to my, I've cleaned it off. Let me see. Let me reapply. Compared to my classic brow pencil, I feel like it just has too much black in it. The classic has a little bit of brown and warmth to it. I think I prefer that. So this right here is the LA Colors, and the second one right here is the classic brow pencil in 03. So the only thing I decided I was going to be using it for is either to line my waterline on days when I don't want to, because it's written as can be used as an eyeliner. On days when I don't want to use like a black pencil, and I can also use it to deepen the tail part of my brows, but not the full brows, because the look was one kind. And then the final thing I got is this foundation from Dabel, the Dabel Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation in the shade 700. I own this, but it's in my makeup kit. So most times I just throw it back in the kit. But like on my everyday, day-to-day use, like maybe when I don't have like a full day, I don't have just go out, but I just want to look put together, or maybe I just want to have it in my makeup artist or something. I want a product that is not so expensive, something that works, that can give me some coverage on my face, even out my skin tone and all of that good stuff. And I didn't want to have to be going back and forth with my makeup kit. Okay, so I decided to buy it in the shade 700 and relegate the one I'm currently using to the makeup kit permanently, and have this in rotation for myself. So that is all I got. Like, man, I'm so grateful I started doing this thing, because sometimes you don't even know the things you get. We always wait for like the huge haul. Like I bought this number of things once to do a haul, but when you get things individually, separately, and put together like this, you know that you are getting things. So these are all the products I have recently hauled. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned till the end, and until I come your way again, remain blessed. Bye guys.